Good evening. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and tonight I am working on day 25 of Junk Journal July, and it is tea-dyed. I have my tea right here. This is the page I'm working on, and I have this little book here and a bunch of old scraps, and I'm going to try to make a Meg Journals style page. And speaking of Meg Journals, she's the one who is behind all of this Junk Journal July and Junk Journal January prompts that she comes up with. And I have been neglecting to mention that, but thank you to Meg Journals and Get Messy Art for putting this journal challenge together every year, well, twice a year. So anyway, I thought we would go through this book, and I'm going to gravitate to the pinks. Maybe I'll do blue this time. Yeah, I wonder if there's chicory in here. Chicory is growing on my roadsides now. Chicory is also known as cornflower. I don't see any, at least not yet. Do you think there's any in here? That would be nice. No chicory. Well, we'll have to come up with something else. What else can we use that's blue? What about asters? Those are pretty. I don't know. Maybe not blue. Maybe another color. Yellow. Let's try yellow. California poppies. Used to have those growing wild when I lived in Seattle. These are growing now, so let's do daylily. They're invasive, but they grow everywhere around here. I did see my first yellow jewelweed blossom the other day. Alright, so I'm going to fussy cut around this, and we will use this as our focal point. I wonder if I can come up with a little quote about daylilies. They must mean something. You know, like isn't there a book, The Language of Flowers? And what flowers mean, what each flower means or symbolizes. I'm going to find out. I'm going to find out if daylily has one. Daylily has a meaning. I can't see. I can't see where I'm cutting. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy and hopefully keeping cool. It's really warm and muggy here in upstate New York. So we had some commotion across the street in the middle of the night a couple weeks ago. And it turns out that the girlfriend tried to stab the boyfriend. Yeah. And now she's living there again. And you would think that the guy would be terrified, that I would be terrified to live with somebody who tried to stab me, but what do I know? They are moving though, because they're in the house where our friend lives, and they're all going to need to be moving out. So I just hope, he's safe. He's going to be safe. Let's see. Put some papers together. Just kind of cover up the background so it's a little more, or a little less busy, I guess. I'm gonna put, can we put that in the corner? Meg always does kind of stuff like that where she extends a page almost. So why don't we try that? Maybe I'll put this up at the top and extend to the page a little bit, but this is kind of flimsy. So maybe put something a little sturdier up there. Here, maybe this. Kind of extend that up a little. Yes. Just to make it square. And I'm going to use a paintbrush to tea dye some of my papers. Oh, I guess I didn't measure that right. Oh, I measured it. I just cut it in the wrong spot. Okay, my voice is getting hoarse. I think I'm allergic to something around here. Okay, we can do this too. We'll do it like this, maybe? This way? No, this way. There, that's the right way. Put this one this way. I should probably start gluing these before I forget where they're going. Get my gluing page now. I also have some tape that I aged, like Scotch tape that I aged, that I believe I will put on here too. There, we got that. Alright, we're going to put this right here. I think I'm running out of glue. I get another glue stick. Okay. I got a little one. So, I have been filming so much for Junk Journal July that my battery just went dead. So I think we were doing this. Okay. Got that there, set there. This one's going here. What else? I think we were going to... Maybe I'll just put this like this. Or this. I think I'll put it like that. Okay. I need to make some more coffee dyed paper. Alright, what else have we got that we can put down? I got lots of papers here, but I can't choose one. This is pretty. I like this one. I do this. Take off the straight edges. And just kind of do that. Yeah, I think I will. I still need to do some tea dyeing, so I'm going to get my little paintbrush out. And we'll get busy with that. So, I think I should put something under here. Here. Let's put that under there. I'm also going to tea dye the flower. I don't know how much this is going to change the look of it, because the tea is not very dark. I usually use coffee. All these are coffee dyed papers. Let's see, I've never coffee or tea dyed this kind of paper before. Okay. And then we'll do this. I don't think it's really changing anything. It just doesn't look that different to me. Okay. I found this little ticket laying on the floor. I thought maybe I could include that in my collage. I also think I might cut out the word Daylily and put that on there somewhere. But I'm going to see if I have some kind of fabric that I can put behind this. And the quote, too. Okay. So, I got everything dry. This is my tea-dyed cloth, and I am not liking how this looks whatsoever. Alright, so I've decided not to use this ticket. I just don't think it goes. The green one might be okay. I was thinking about putting the word Daylily on here. And I have this tea-dyed doily that I kind of like, but I'm not sure where I want to put it. Maybe like right there. So I have some of the fabric behind this. I was going to put the quote here, but I don't like the way this fabric looks on here at all, so I'm not using the fabric. But I am going to use some of my aged tape right here in the corner, if I can get it to come off. Okay. It's actually pretty old. And I did this with like the alcohol inks. So let's see if I can put that down there. It's kind of curled up at the end. I think I'll need to cut, oh, there we go. I do need to cut that off though. Alright. I don't like these elements either. I don't think they add anything to the collage. And then what if I do for the middle though? I don't know, but one thing I am going to do right now is cut out the word daylily. It's very tiny. And I'm gonna put it right here. Maybe I should ink it a little bit. Ink it up a little bit. Yeah, I think so. Okay, let's get some of my sepia ink. It's not getting too inked up here, but I guess that's good. And I'll just put that on there. Probably this side. And ink this right here. Let's see if this will come out. Yeah. Alright. Might want to make this even smaller, but okay. Put that like that. How does that look? I think that's okay. And then we'll put our quote up there, which I don't even know what it is yet. And our number. And that will be my prompt for tea dyed. Okay, so I looked up what orange lilies, like the symbolism of orange lilies. Apparently they represent positive, warm energy. So I'm going to put that right up there with my number quote, or my number quote. I'm going to stamp my number on there, and it was 25. Find my 5. Okay. And then I'm going to glue everything down. I fell asleep at about 6 o'clock earlier this evening. It's 10:30 now, and I'm full of energy. I've got some positive, warm energy, and I'm going to go ahead and glue that right down. This did not turn out exactly the way I thought it would, and I should have put that on a scrap paper, but I didn't. So hopefully all of that purple is gonna go away. Alright, so I got that. And I don't think I want to put purple on here. I think I'm gonna, what am I gonna do? Maybe I'll use this. I don't think I can get enough of the little white glue to come out. My thin nozzle glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this kind of just a little bit off the bottom. And we'll cut that part. Oh boy, I might put some stamping on here too. Alright. Not cutting very well. Okay, we got that. I feel like I want to incorporate some more of my fake tape too. I gotta figure out where to do that, how to do that. Yeah, I don't want to use any more purple glue on here. I don't want it to show. But I think it is drying clear. I know it's supposed to dry clear, but you never know. This is going to go right here. I think I'm actually going to cut the white part off of the bottom of that. Put that right there. Oops. All right, and we'll put Daylily down there. I do feel like I need something here. Maybe a stamp of something. And this seems very empty to me too. So I don't really have all that much to... I could put a dandelion there. Would that look weird? Or some of these? I don't know. Might look weird. Too bad I can't find another daylily somewhere. What about some orange flowers up here? I mean, that would look okay. Maybe like 3 little flowers up here. Yeah, I think that would look okay. Maybe I'll just put some tape, some of my aged tape down over here. Make it look like I've taped the papers down. I don't know. It's very hot here tonight. My son has some guests out in the backyard, so I'm feeling a little weird doing this with them here. But I think that looks pretty good. So let's do this. Get this glue out of here. I do think some stamping would look good. Maybe a bee. Why is that not sticking? I just have this big bee that I've used before, but I think a bee is more appropriate than any other stamp that I actually have. So let's do that. Why not? Oh, I think I actually have smaller bee. I forgot. And a ladybug too. Where'd my little bee go? There we go. I've got this little bee I've forgotten about. That one didn't even show up very well, did it? Probably should have used my darker ink. Let's get that out. My potting soil usually works much better. So let's get another bee on here. See if that looks better. Oh yeah. I almost wish I could do this one again. What the heck? Let's try. That's not bad, actually. What about a ladybug? Let's try the ladybug. Where is it? I also have a dragonfly. Let's do a dragonfly. Okay, not bad, not bad. These bees are a little big, though, in comparison, but, there. Okay, I think that's it for the stamping. And I just need somewhere to put some more of my tape. I do like how that looks. Maybe a smaller piece would do. It doesn't come off in one big piece, though. Maybe I just haven't used it quickly enough. Here. I'll use part of it up here, maybe. Like this is holding it on. What about this? There. Okay. I think that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate your support. This is my finished page for Tea Dyed. We will see you again tomorrow if you choose to come back and see what I create again. And that is called Shade. I have no idea how to interpret that one. Alright guys, we will see you next time. Bye-bye.